Stay tuned to find out how I make this Jamaican flag art. You'll start by taping off your canvas using washi tape or regular tape if you have it. This is just what I had close by. And I am going to tape from corner to corner on all four corners, creating an X across the canvas. I doubled the washi tape so that the X would be a little on the thick side. Next, I'm using this apple barrel green, and I am going to paint the top and bottom triangle. You'll make sure that you cover the two triangles fully, let them dry, and then you'll paint a second coat to make sure that the coverage is full. Next, I'm going to use this Master's Touch Permanent Black and paint the two side triangles. Again, I'm going to paint a very thin coat for the first layer and then go back in and paint a second coat, ensuring full coverage on both triangles. Next, I'm using Master's Touch Antique Gold Paint to fill in the X in the middle of the flag. You'll want to go back in with a smaller brush to work on the edges closest to the green and black. Once the paint is dry again, I'm going to go and add the wall hanger to the back of the picture. And this I'm doing similar to last week's wall hangers. I'm going to just apply it straight to the back, leaving a little bit of slack and cutting off any extra string. Next, I'm prepping my image by adding on this diamond wrap, and I'm going to use this as her earrings because I didn't want to just leave the earring on the image blank. So I just cut the strips. It's 6 on each side, and then I'm going to add hot glue to the back of the diamond wrap and apply it to each side of the earring. The last step, I'm going to use Mod Podge and add it to the back of my image, making sure to get a thin and even layer across the entire image, and then I'm going to apply it directly to the painted canvas. I put mine right in the middle, but of course you can put yours to whichever side you decide to. And feel free to make the flag colors any color of a flag that represents you. And here is the finished Jamaican flag art. I am really proud to be Jamaican American on my dad's side. It is a beautiful and strong heritage, and I love what the colors of the flag stand for. In case you didn't know, black is for strength and creativity. The gold is for the natural wealth and the beauty of the sunlight. And the green is for hope and agricultural resources. All things that help make up a beautiful, proud culture. And all things that we can definitely use in these times. Thank you for joining me for another video this week. I am really using my DIYs as a way to escape when I need a mental break, which is something that I highly suggest all of you do. The world is so heavy right now, but it is self-preservation to take a moment and take some time to just be with yourself, to create, and to gather yourself back up so that you can continue to fight another day. Thank you for watching. make sure you leave me a comment down below on what flag represents your culture. Make sure that you like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell for notifications for each new video every single Tuesday. I love you guys. I hope that you're staying safe, staying sane, and staying at home if you can possibly manage it. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day. I love you guys. Keep creating.